Can you say it louder?
I love you, Grampy and Grammy. I love you. Is that loud enough?
That was good. Yes, dear.
Can you say hi to Uncle Rodney and Aunt Judy?
Hi, Uncle Rodney. Hi, Judy.
Look at the camera.
Hi. Oh, no, I'm shy.
Okay,
You're
don't be
shy.
shy. Come here. You want to blow them kisses? They're in Florida. Are you going to Florida? What are you going to do down in Florida? Dance. You're not going to dance in Florida. Tell me what you're going to do.
Say hi.
No, where are we going?
See Grampy and Grammy.
Where are we going in Florida?
Disney World.
Are you going to fall back on the bed now?